Our lesson for today, improper fractions. We must be able to determine improper fractions and write improper fractions from the diagrams. What is improper fraction? It is equal to 1 or greater than 1 whole. The numerators are greater than the denominators. For examples, we have 12 over 7, 7 over 3, 10 over 10 or equal to 1, and 20 over 13. Their numerators are greater than their denominators, and this 10 over 10 is equal to 1. How to write improper fractions from the shaded figures? For example, we're going to write improper fraction from the shaded parts. So as you can see, we have here 1 whole, and here 2 are shaded out of 3. So this is 2/3. In one figure, it is divided into 3 parts. So this, we're going to divide this into 3 parts. It looks like this, and here is still the same like this. So to have improper fraction, the one here is 3 out of 3. So 3 over 3, and the other is still 2 over 3. So we have here 5 over 3. So the improper fraction is 5/3. We have another method. What we're going to do is to count the total number of parts shaded and put that as numerator, and count the number of equal parts in one figure, that will be the denominator. For example, our figure is like this. Okay, so we're going to count first the number of shaded parts. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 shaded, and in one figure we have 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts, and here is 3 equal parts. So it means that will be the denominator. So we have 5/3. The answers will be the same, only the process of finding the answer is different. Another example. So we have here 1 whole. 1 out of 4 is 1/4. One figure is divided into 4. So this figure, we divide this also into 4. And here is still the same. So the fraction of this is 4/4. And here is still 1/4. So 4/4 plus 1/4, it will be 5/4. How about the other method? We're just going to count the number of shaded. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. And in one figure, we have 4 equal parts. So that will be the denominator. So we have 5/4. How many halves are there in 2 and 1/2? We're talking about half. It means 1/2. How many 1/2 in 2 and 1/2? So we have here 1 whole, and another half. So if we're going to break the 1 whole into half, we have like this. So we have 2 halves, and 1/2. Therefore, we have 5 halves, right? That is 5/2. So there are 5 halves in 2 and 1/2. Express each of the following as an improper fraction. What is the improper fraction of this? Okay, there are how many quarters? This is divided into quarters. So this is divided into quarters. It means 1 whole will be 4/4. So there are 4 quarters in 1 whole. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 quarters in 1 and 3/4. So 7 quarters. How to write into fraction? Very good. 7 over 4, or you can just read this as 7 quarters. Another example. there are blank halves in 3. So we're going to break this into 2 so that we can have halves. So we have 2, another 2 halves here, and 2 halves. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 halves in 3. How to write 6 halves? 6 halves, 6 over 2. So the improper fraction is 6 over 2. What did you learn to this lesson? You learned how to write improper fraction from the shaded figure. So you have 2 methods to answer the improper fraction. To sum up our lesson, to express each the following as an improper fraction, we're going to have the figure divided into 5 equal parts. So it means this one whole, it's automatically 5 shaded. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 fifths. So if there are 8 fifths, in order to write into improper fraction, 8 over 5, 8 fifths. And writing improper fraction from the figure, so we have here 10 shaded out of 5 in one figure, and here is 2 out of 5, so that's why we have 2 fifths, and then we have 12 over 5. Or the simplest way to write an improper fraction, just count the total number of parts shaded, that will be the numerator, and count the number of equal parts in one figure, that will be the denominator.